Hi, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic, and I've got a special one-off craft haul video for you that I wanted to keep separate because this is the first time I've done an order from Uniquely Creative. Now this is, I think they're based in South Australia. They're an Australian craft company. They do kits, subscriptions, you can buy one-offs, all kinds of things. They looks like they do everything. They do markers as well as stamps, dies, papers and so on. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but they're new to me, which is why I wanted to share this little haul with you separately in case they're new to you as well. Now, I did actually do two orders. I did one order and then I got an email because I'd subscribed to their email list by then, and then I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a second order. And I didn't realise, because I made them within a few days of each other, that you get this little card, and on the back you get this little cutter part sheet, which is really cute, isn't it? It's getting a little free gift. So I've got a couple of these, which is great, but mainly my order was for Christmas. So I'll just show you a couple of these things and then I'll dive right in because everything is connected apart from these two sheets. Now these are only $1 each and these are printed on watercolor paper. I've never come across this idea, I'll be honest, and I absolutely love it. So these were part of my second order actually, because after I'd ordered from them, I follow them on YouTube, I've been obsessed watching their videos, and I saw these colouring sheets. And you might know that I've been trying to dabble into improving my watercolour skills, so I thought these would be absolutely perfect. And of course I love florals, so I absolutely had to grab those. But then the main reason, where is it? Now I will say this is not fresh out the box because I did record this video and then lost it, so this is a remake of my original video. But this is the reason I did a second order, because whilst watching on YouTube I realised that they do this metal die. It was $23, and basically what you can do then with these cut apart sheets is you place it over, there's these little markers showing you where to align, and then basically it cuts it all out in one die cut. It's amazing, isn't it? So that is why I thought I'm going to go back, order the die. I'll be honest, when this came I didn't realise it was a sheet of 4, so that's even better value than I thought, because again this was only $1 I think. So I'm going to have heaps and heaps of Christmas sentiments here just on this one sheet. And I believe this is quite a new product, and I believe they're going to start creating more of these where it will automatically line up for you, which is why I thought I would invest in it. I'm not the best at cutting straight lines and so on, so that is perfect for me. So that is a sentiment strips. That's going to be great for scrapbooking and card making and so on. I got these sequins. Look how gorgeous they are. There's little snowflakes, there's some transparent ones, some white ones of course, and silver. And basically my order is for my December daily. So I came across this collection and thought it is going to be perfect. So it's called Once Upon a Christmas. I bought all of it separately. I didn't get the subscription kit at all, which you can, I guess it's better value if you do buy the subscription kit. And I threw in the sequins. I also got these chipboard letters. Now I'm not normally a fan of chipboard, but there's so many different numbers in here that I thought these are going to be great for my December daily, and I can colour them whatever I want, silver, blue, red and so on. There was of course a cut apart sheet as well to go with this, which is super cute. Look, there's little koalas with the Australian theme. And then if you enjoy fussy cutting like I do, you've got quite a lot on there as well that you can fussy cut. I'm going to give you a quick flick through of the paper. This was also ordered in my second pack because again I was so hasty. I knew that these collections sell out pretty quick. I didn't realise there was a 6x6 pack, so this was another reason for getting the second order. And you see these are just single-sided. There's 32 sheets. I think they repeat 3 times. Yeah, there's 12 of each. So they mirror the 12x12 sheets, which I'm going to show you as well. Obviously a smaller size pattern, but I just love the blue. If you saw my December daily video, you'll know that I love having a blue themed Christmas. There's also some great basic pattern designs in here as well that will go with anything. So these would be great if you are using Project Life still to make pocket pages, as well as card making. Look at these, so cute. And of course little layouts as well. So this is going to be in my December daily, and I am going to do a 6x8 album again. I'm hoping Michelle at the Stamp Spot is still going to sell the acrylic folders, which I had last time as well, because I really love the way you can bulk out the layouts that way. I'm not constrained by having an album as such. I don't want to use the pocket pages. I'm moving away from that, and I just want them nicely held with some book rings. So you can see this is probably going to be used to make little, I can do 6x4 cards with this to go on my 6x8, or make my own little gift tags and so on. So these sheets will be mainly for card making as well as some decoration on my pages. So I also ordered a cut apart sheet as well. I think this was a couple of dollars, can't remember. Obviously it's already printed for you, coloured in, so it's just a matter of chopping it. And there are some sentiments as well if you wanted a white background as well as the black ones. This also fell into my cart, nice glittery A4 sheet, so that's going to be quite nice as well for my December daily. Yes, I ordered the 12x12 pack as well, so you can see these ones are double-sided and 2 of each of the 8 papers in the collection. And I love the idea of having this little sample at the front which you can use. I thought, oh yeah, I'll be able to use those underneath my photos, but then realised on the back you also get a copy of the printable sheet, so bear that in mind as well. I quickly flip through these for you as well. I think you can buy these sheets separate. To say the card is really nice and thick. They're going to be great for scrapbook layouts. Like these, for example, will be perfect, but then some of the others I will just cut down for pages in my book. I will also put some just plain white or blue or silver or grey cardstock in between. You don't have to use your nice scrapbooking paper for every single page, especially if you're going to decorate it. And you can see in the pack as well, you also get some more cut apart sheets as well. So these are super cute sheets that you can fussy cut out. And it's not often I say this, but I think both sides are beautiful. Normally, you know, you can tell which is the B side, but all of these are absolutely stunning. And you also get this, of course, which you can use to back photos, put on cards, do your journaling. That's quite versatile. And on the back of that is another sheet that you can do some fussy cutting out of. So that was my first time ordering from Uniquely Creative. I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on the emails that pop through my mailbox going forward. The delivery was super quick. Like I say, I think it's safe Australia, but with COVID and all of the problems with mail at the moment, this is why I have been looking for some suppliers within Australia itself. So I'm glad I came across that, and it was actually a lady on the craft retreat that introduced me to them. I know I've seen them on social media quite a lot, but she actually had one of the kits with her, and when I actually looked through it, the physical kit, I thought, yeah, it's great value and the products are really good quality as well. Anyway, that is the end of my very quick craft haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I will still be posting a monthly one, but I wanted to get this one out as well and show you my plans for December this year and my new little haul. So have yourself a great crafting week.